a tangible gift of gratitude, their appreciation to God for His kindly providence. Many thousands of money are added each year to mission funds by means of this offering. For life, for health, for food and clothing, no less than the hope of eternal life, we are indebted to the giver of all mercies. And it is due to God to recognize His gifts and to present our offerings of gratitude to our greatest benefactor. Sabbath School members may give a thank offering on occasions other than their birthday, if they desire to do so, like for example, baptism and wedding anniversaries. This offering has been designated birthday and thanks offering. The latter part of the term indicating that an offering may be given in thankfulness for some special blessings other than birthday. We do not suggest, neither should we expect each member to give a birthday thank offering each month. It is a special thank you for another year of life, or for some particular or unusual blessing that merits special gratitude. It should mean some sacrifice on the part of the giver. If a person has something to be truly thankful for, his offering probably will be more than a token donation. It will be a gift in keeping the individual's ability to give. It will be a special offering in the fullest sense of the word. We are sure that when a person gives according as God has prospered him, be it much or little, the Lord will bless him in every way that can be for his eternal good.